Alright guys, so I'm remodeling my house. This hallway turns into a kitchen. Watch how I do it. It's super fun. Created a duplex basically in my split level home. That's what it looked like. And then I upgraded the floors and it was like this for about a year. And then I thought, no, I want to live by myself. And I threw a door there and blasted that wall out. And that's the first day. Really went all in and Millie was very proud of me. But I knew there wasn't load bearing because there was that kink in the wall, so I knew there had to be a beam going across the top. But the beam was very sketchy. Look at this. It was like 45-degree angle, and it only held up by like a quarter of the end of it. So I structured it up, put some more beams on the or some structural posts on the other side in the middle. There's some plumbing, we'll get into that later, and I straightened this out just like I was saying there, and then I ran new electrical from the main panel through, you can see me cutting all those holes so I could feed it through, and then that's that new wall that I put in there, and that is the new SAR2 going to from the main panel to that electrical panel, and then I upgraded that panel so I can run all my fuses into downstairs. Jacked up the floor, you can see right there, and then hijacked the plumbing and the water. There's my friend Dylan helping me out. The back side of the wall there was a bathroom, so that's why I did it. There's the tile. I did all this in almost like 2 afternoons. Millie was very confused on what I was doing. But yeah, so now got some drywall up. It's looking like it's coming together, you know. Yeah, everything there. Got some cabinets from my buddy Christian James, he's a contractor in Park City. So got some free cabinets from him. Refinished them. And that's the rough plumbing. And then also you can see here, welded some steel to put a floating frame, and then got some quartz countertop for like $100. It is kind of dirty, I need to polish it, but it works for me now. So stoked, Millie stoked, happy with how it came out. Are you a fan of the new remodel? Yes, I am, I love it. Here we are, boom. So we'll start with over here. We made, actually, this door separates the upstairs from the downstairs. And then this wall was shorter. I made it longer. I also put in this post. There was no post here, but just how sketch it was before, whoever worked on it before, I just thought might as well put a post in because it also helps with this floating island. I welded this up. I also need to finish the underlighting, but kind of gives it a cool look at night. But yeah, welded this so I could have the countertop floating, which is kind of nice because then you can kind of sit this whole corner here, and then I barely got this fridge in. This fridge was huge, barely got through that door. So that is the door to the back. So that's the separate entrance to the exterior. As you can see, I still need to paint a few spots and then patch a few things. I ran electrical here to range here. And yeah, I got dishwasher right below the sink. So the sink's like, not that deep, but it's very wide, so it works out. I got some open shelving here and some drawers here, as well as some over there. Nice little area there. Then open pantry as well. And I had to run water down to here for the fridge. I also mounted the TV above the fireplace and got a new fireplace thing right here, which is nice, great. Set up a little desk and it's pretty good. I got to put some artwork up and paint, and that's about it. But yeah, the tile all throughout here, I kind of wish I didn't do white grout, because when I clean it, it gets even dirtier. So that's kind of annoying. But other than that, I mean, it's worked out pretty good. I definitely love it. Millie's a fan. Millie, you like it? Yes. Now on to the bedroom and office. Very stoked on the office setup here. I got really nice views of the mountains out there. And then I also got this sim. If you're into cars, this thing is insane. You want to just watch a little lap? Let's watch a start at least. I am, as you can see, number 11. So there's 12 drivers in here. Actually, yeah, there's 12 drivers in here, and I am ranked 11th. So if I get better than second to last, then I will be improving. I qualified, I think, 6th. So I'm starting 6th right now. Cold tires on the first lap and a lot of people, so there's gonna be some fun on the first couple turns here. Woo, squeezing in between 2 people, 3 wide. I was able to manage to get into 3rd here. You can't really go all out in the first couple laps because you've got cold tires, but you're fighting for position for basically the rest of the race. So very happy to get out of there unscathed in 3rd. I was ranked 11th out of 12 people in the whole race, and so I got 3rd. I was in 2nd for a while, and then somebody passed me on like the 3rd to last lap, and so couldn't really catch back up to him, but it was fun. Good little midday break. Now I gotta get back to work. So, nice little lunch break, right, Millie?